Guys, what's up? Sorry that I look a bit of a hot mess, but whatever. I'm in my room, like, well, it's okay. I was supposed to be vlogging this entire move-in process from my old room into my new room, and yeah, that's gonna be delayed. Every time I have to go home, every time I have to move, anytime I have to do anything big, I have it, like, something happens. Something always happens. I don't know why it is. It's like I can never just move in peace. I can never just travel in peace. Like, something gets canceled, something gets delayed, something gets moved over, something gets misplaced or something. So currently school is over, exams are over, classes are done, and I'm a free girl. For the summer and the next school year, I'm gonna be moving into a single room, and if you know me, you know how excited I am for this single room. And I was supposed to meet in that same room from the summertime, just down the hall, and it was supposed to be an easy move because I don't need to pack anything. I'm gonna just literally take, guys, I'm literally taking shelf to shelf over there. I'm not unpacking anything, I'm not putting nothing in boxes and moving. No, I'm literally taking this stack of stuff, moving it in, done. This stack of stuff, moving it in, and done. I told them, like, guys, I'm leaving tomorrow. I need my key to my room, and I know they're gonna do painting throughout the summer. They're gonna repaint everywhere. That shouldn't interfere with anything. When it comes time for them to paint my room and stuff, I would just have to, like, leave and, like, maybe take some of my bedding because I probably won't get to sleep in there the same night, and also it'll be in the way because they're painting the walls. Today I went to get my key, and like, come downstairs, we have your key, and I'm like, okay, blessed, blessed. And guys, they give me a key to a room that is not my room, and not only is it not my room, it is not on my floor. It is on the very first floor. So I talked to them and they gave me the key to my other room, but I literally can't go in there ever until about the end of May, maybe June, and it's April right now. Like, what do you mean? I was supposed to vlog the process of me moving from this room into the other room after I give you guys a tour of this room. And right now, I don't know when any of that is happening. So I don't even know what's going on. I'm just trying to go home. I'm just trying to go home and chill for like a week or so, or a 2 week or so, or a 3 week or so, like as long as I can. And now I have this stress. Like, I don't even know. Now I have the keys to both rooms. This is about to be a struggle, like a struggle and a half. I don't even know where to start with life. We're gonna go down the hall, guys, and we're gonna see like what's really popping and what we working with, because I'm scared that this room's not gonna be as big as I expected it to be. What the bum? Okay. There we go. I'm so scared. You know when things aren't what you expected? You know when? Do you hear this nasty echo? You know when things aren't as you expected? Damn. I'm scared to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I'm working with. Bare table news. And that. I wanted my bed to be like here and like over there to be empty space. Do you hear how echoey it is? This is ridiculous, and this place kind of stinks. Like, why are people so disgusting? I can never deal. I can't. Yeah, so we finna rearrange this room. I'm excited though, because I actually stepped in here, so now I'm excited. Is my key still in the door? I'm dumb. I am dumb. Oops. Yeah, my bad. Oh, but the lighting here is disgusting. And it is about 4 o'clock right now. And this is west. Look at it, it's so disgusting. I literally chose the side of the hallway because of lighting, but my res like curves. Damn. Nah. Everybody trying to tell me my bookshelf not finished fit. Son? Okay. Hey. Wow, this girl didn't even have the decency to clean up the mirror a little bit. But wow. And if you look at me relative to it, like this is my body. This is my body versus like everything. It's not that bad. It's like Oh, but this closet drags. Oh no, man's gonna have to fix this. Oh no. Oh, absolutely not. No, man's have to fix this. No. No, man's have to fix this ASAP. Right now I'm gonna move some things into my room downstairs, and I'm gonna show you guys. I want to see what that room looks like too. Like, we finna look at it together. Okay, we finna look at it together. I think it's this way. If they all up. Nope, it's this way. And of course this is dumpy hallway. Why is it dark? Anyways, yeah, so jeez, jeez, wow. Okay, like, we're gonna get close. Are we gonna get close or?
A few moments later.
My abode. Oh, it's actually the same exact layout. Did I leave the key in the door again? First, I have to change my clothes because I'm like, it's way too hot and I'm not trying to mess up my good jacket. So 7:15 and I just finished filming my room tour. So I got some good angles, like hire me. So I got a lot of work to do still, and I still have to leave tomorrow in the AM, and I'm also going to be filming a lookbook for you guys, so I have to decide which outfits to bring and actually try them on so I don't go home and the outfits are ugly. Yeah, no sleep. So
we made it to the location.
I still got a lot of pack. Jeez. I'm just gonna use the last bit of lighting to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Honestly, it's just a mini vlog, ain't nothing too serious or whatever. Honestly, I wouldn't have pulled the camera out in the first place if I didn't have the situation with the keys going on. But I wanted to let you guys know and show you guys, you know, this is my life. You know, I would have vlogged the actual me moving from one room to the other, but because that interrupted, I'm like, might as well share it with you guys and like show you guys the process. Sometimes this is the reality of living on res. Like, mans do nonsense. I have a fashion forecast video going up because of a lot of you guys like that video, and I'm going to do one for the transition into winter to spring because this weather is still not acting right. So we still in winter to spring. And then I'm going to have the room tour for you guys and this vlog. Subscribe to you, girl, and be notified when I post another video. I have a lot of good videos coming for you guys. Follow me on Instagram. It's just Olivia Shay. And I will see you guys in my next video. You know why I'm cheesed? Because this is really good lighting. And really good lighting comes from the sun. Why is the sun up right now? I've been up all night, moving things back and forth, up and down. It's the AM. I gotta go back home. I need to pack my stuff. I need to find and pack these outfits for this lookbook. I need to get my life together in terms of leaving this city. I just had to come back and say that because absolutely not. Mans did not expect to live this life. I did not expect to live this life.